Welcome to this lesson on short answers in English. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer yes or no questions politely using short answers. Instead of simply saying yes or no, English speakers use short answers to sound more natural and polite. Let us get started. So why do we use short answers? In English, saying just yes or no can sometimes sound too direct or even a bit rude. That is why short answers are very commonly used. For example, if someone asks, "Do you eat apples?" Instead of saying just yes, you would say, "Yes, I do." And instead of saying just no, you would say, "No, I don't." The rule is simple. You use the first word from the question to form your short answer. Let us now look at examples for different tenses. Now let us look at the present simple tense with the verb eat. If the question starts with do, your short answer will also use do or don't. For example, do you eat apples? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. If the question starts with does, your short answer uses does or doesn't. For example, does he eat apples? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. And for they, do they eat apples? Yes, they do. Or no, they don't. Notice how the first word of the question becomes the key word in your answer. Here is another example with the verb like. The pattern is exactly the same. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Does he like apples? Yes, he does. Or, no, he doesn't. Do they like apples? Yes, they do. Or, no, they don't. Notice something important here. The verb in the question is like, but in the short answer, we do not repeat the verb. We only use do, does, don't, or doesn't. This is the key point. The short answer does not include the main verb. Let us try one more example with the verb have. Do you have a mobile? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Does he have a mobile? Yes, he does. Or, no, he doesn't. Do they have a mobile? Yes, they do. Or, no, they don't. Again, we do not say yes, I have, or no, I haven't, for short answers with do or does questions. We always use do, does, don't, or doesn't. This is a common mistake that learners make, so please remember this rule. Now let us move to questions with the verb be, that is, am, is, and are. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Or, no, I am not. Is he a student? Yes, he is. Or, no, he isn't. Are they students? Yes, they are. Or, no, they aren't. There is a very important rule to remember here. In positive short answers with I, we always say, yes, I am. We never use the contraction. So we never say, yes, I am. However, in the negative, we can say, no, I am not, or no, I am not. Both are correct. The present continuous tense also uses am, is, and are in questions. So the short answers follow the same pattern. Are you going to cinema? Yes, I am. Or, no, I am not. Is he going to cinema? Yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. Are they going to cinema? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. As you can see, whether we are asking about being something or doing something right now, the short answer pattern stays the same. We use am, is, or are. Now let us look at the past simple tense. All past simple questions use did. Did you eat an apple? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Did he eat an apple? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. Did they eat apples? Yes, they did. Or no, they didn't. The great thing about did is that it is the same for every subject. Whether you are talking about I, he, she, we, or they, the short answer always uses did or didn't. There is no change at all. For the past tense of the verb be, we use was and were. Were you a student? Yes, I was. Or no, I was not. Was he a student? Yes, he was. Or, no, he wasn't. Were they students? Yes, they were. Or, no, they weren't. Remember, we use was with I, he, she, and it. And we use were with you, we, and they. The short answer must match the subject of the question. Now let us look at the future tense with will. Will you go to cinema? Yes, I will. Or, no, I won't. Will he go to cinema? Yes, he will. Or, no, he won't. Will they go to cinema? Yes, they will. or no they won't. One important thing to remember here. The negative contraction of will is won't. It is not willn't or any other form. Just won't. Also, like did, will is the same for all subjects. Whether you say I, he, she, we, or they, you always use will or won't in the short answer. Our last example is with the modal verb, can. Can you speak English well? Yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. Can he speak English well? Yes, he can. Or, no, he can't. Can they speak English well? Yes, they can. Or, no, they can't. Just like will and did, can does not change based on the subject. It stays the same for I, he, she, we, and they. The negative form is can't, which is short for cannot. Let us now review everything we have learned. Here is a summary of all the short answer patterns. For do questions, the answer uses do or don't. For does questions, it uses does or doesn't. For am, is, and are questions, the answer matches with am, is, or are and their negative forms. For did questions, we use did or didn't. For was and were, the answer uses was, were, wasn't, or weren't. For will, the answer is will or won't. And for can, the answer is can or can't. The golden rule is always the same. Look at the first word of the question and use that word in your short answer. Thank you for watching this lesson on short answers. Keep practicing, and you will master this in no time.